control all the things you do. Do you love me? Do you want me? You need to show me. Ain't I so sick in your only? I've been 100 with you. Do you want me? I'm sick and tired of all these games. You know it ain't been the same. Cause I've been 100 with you.
So, good evening, folks. This is TanCoyMuSic, aka Trisha Cosmetics, coming over here with a video real quick. Voyageurs Soaps and Candles sent me this. Actually, they sent me 2 of them. Because they ran out of lip gloss space, so they sent me this, which is Moisture Rich Liquid Lip Gloss Base. And then they sent me this lip gloss solid base. And as you can see, I'm almost out of it. So what I'm gonna do is see what happens when you mix the Versagel with this one. I'm not gonna use this one today, but I'm gonna use this one because it has the castor oil, coconut oil, fractionated. It has sweet almond oil, beeswax, and vitamin E already in it. So we're gonna see how that goes. So let me show you how it looks. Got my Versagel in there already. And this is how this looks. Let's go. It's a lot in here, it's just all on one side. Today, I only have made one for myself, but a lot of people have been asking for it, so it's called Brown Girl. So I will be back. Let me get all my stuff together and I'll be back. So let's compare. So here's my brown girl. It looks lighter on camera because of the flash, but it's not. So I'm not gonna feel till tomorrow. I just want all my stuff tonight so I can do it tomorrow. So I'll be back with a filling video tomorrow.